નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to 12th part of chapter 10, tenths and hundredths of standard 5th mathematics. From the last part we are discussing the practice time, which is available on the page number 143. So first of all, open page number 133. Once again, look into that table in which you can see country, money and change into Indian rupees. Let me tell you one or two exchanges. Suppose Sri Lanka. Look into Sri Lanka. You can see rupee. The money of Sri Lanka is rupee itself. Into bracket SL. That is what? Sri Lankan rupee. And then after it is written 0.43. That means what? If I want 1 Sri Lankan rupee, then I have to pay 0.43 paisa. Matlab 43 paisa. If I will give 43 paisa, then they will give me 1 Sri Lankan rupee. Once again, I will have to pay just 43 paisa. And they will give me 1 Sri Lankan rupee. Same way, if I want United Arab Emirates dirham, UAE dirham, then I have to give 17 rupee and 79 paisa to them. Then they will give me 1 dirham. For dirham, I have to give 17 rupee and 79 paisa. Then they will give me only 1 dirham. So this is the exchange rates, and this was important. Why? Because on the next page, now come to page number 144. On this page, some questions are there which we are going to solve. Suppose practice C question. I have not written over here. Directly we will solve this. So for that, first of all, you read into your textbook. I am reading also, but you should have your textbook and you should read it in your also, so that you can understand the question. First of all, understand the question, then after we will answer that. Okay. Majid's father is working in UAE. The money of UAE is dirham. Majid's father is working in UAE. He gets 1000 dirham as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who gets more Indian rupee as salary? Okay, so now let's solve this question. First of all, let's discuss about Majid's father and his salary. So Majid's father and his salary. First of all, Majid's father's salary. Majid's father. So let's discuss about Majid's father and salary is equal to the salary of Majid's father is 1000 dirham. 1000 dirham. Now what we should do? We have to convert it to Indian rupee, isn't it? So 1000 dirham. And just I have told you that if I will give 17 rupee and 79 paisa, then they will give me 1 dirham. So if 1 dirham is there, I will get 17 rupee and 79 paisa. If 1000 dirham is there, then I will get 1000 multiplied by 17 and 79 rupees, isn't it? So it will be 1779 rupees. 17,790 rupees. I will get 70,790 rupees from 1,000 dirham. So the salary of Majid's father is how many rupees? 17,790 rupees. Okay. Now the second thing is Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2,000 Sri Lankan rupee. So the Arun's father's salary, Arun's father is equal to 2,000 rupee, that to be Sri Lankan, isn't it? Now see, if I want 1 Sri Lankan rupee, then I have to pay 43 paisa. So if I have 2,000 rupee Sri Lankan, then I have to multiply with 0.43, isn't it? Suppose, let me explain you. Suppose 1 rupee Sri Lankan is equal to rupees 0.43 paisa. 0.43. And if therefore if it is 2,000 rupee Sri Lankan, then how many rupees? So we have to cross multiplication with this. Therefore is equal to 2,000 multiplied by 0.43. This is rupee, and like that, and is equal to 43 2s are 86. 1 2 is there. If you cannot multiply this, then there is no problem. Why? Because I think you must not be aware of this type of multiplication and next forthcoming examples also. If you can do it with yourself. See, 2 43s are 86. Now 1 2. There is a decimal point after 2 digits. So deduct this 2. 1 0 is there. So it is 862. It is rupees 860. So the question is what? Who gets more Indian rupee as salary? Now Majid's father is getting 17,790 rupee and Arun's father is getting rupees 860. Hence we can say Majid's father gets more Indian rupee than Arun's father. Hence, what it should be the answer? Hence, Majid's father gets more Indian salary, Indian rupees. Majid's father gets more Indian rupees than Arun's father. It should be your answer. Okay. Now let's go for the next. The next question is fourth question. And what is the question? Lina's aunt brought a present for her from China. लीना की जो आंटी थी वो चाइना से उसके लिए, लीना के लिए प्रेजेंट लेके आई फ्रॉम चाइना. इट कॉस्ट 30 yuan. It cost 30 yuan. 30 yuan. Find what it cost in Indian rupee. Now, first of all, look into that. 1 yuan is equal to rupees 9.83. 1 yuan. So answer is 1 yuan. 1 is equal to how many rupees? Rupees 9.83 paisa. So if it is costing 30 yuan, therefore 30 yuan is equal to how many? So here it will be cross multiplication. I know, you know that, and that is equal to 30 multiplied by 9.83 rupees, isn't it? And is equal to, I think you will not be able to answer this. and I am also giving this answer very quickly. Why? Because so that we can go further, and the answer is 2,900. See, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, so 4, 2 carry, 3 9s are 27, plus 2, 29. Here you can see there is a decimal point before 2, but 1 0 is there. That is why only one decimal point. So it will be 294 rupee and 90 paisa. It is rupees. So in Indian rupee, it is costing. So what it should be the answer? It cost rupees 294 and 90 paisa in Indian rupees. 294 and 90 paisa in Indian rupees. It should be your answer. I am just explaining how to answer this. Then next question. The next question is that, let me put it over here. Astha wants some Hong Kong dollars and won. Astha wants some Hong Kong dollar and won. So first question, how many won can she change for rupees 4 and for rupees 400? So first of all, we should know what is the exchange rate, isn't it? For that, suppose 1 rupee is equal to how many won? Do you know? This is a solution of fifth one, isn't it? Or sorry, E. It is E. Astha wants some Hong Kong dollars and won. First of all, how many won she changed for rupees 4? Now, from the textbook, you can see 1 won is equal to 0.06 rupees. That means what? If you will give rupees 0.06, then you will get 1 won. If you will give, therefore, rupees 0.06 is equal to 1 won. Therefore, how many rupees she have? 4. Therefore, rupees 4 is equal to how many won? We have to multiply this and divide by this. Is equal to 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 0.06 and is equal to, we can say it will be 66.67 won. Okay, this should be the answer. Okay, now for 400 rupees, see, this is rupees 4 is equal to this much. Therefore rupees 400 is equal to, then say 4 rupees is equal to this much. Then 400 rupees is equal to, it is rupees 4 multiplied by 100. 400 is what? Rupees 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to, rupees 4 is what? 66.67 multiplied by 100. This is what? Now this is 66.67. This is what? 1. Is equal to 66.67 1. So from rupees 400 she will get 6,667 won, isn't it? Now the next question is, how many Hong Kong dollars can she change for rupees 508? How many Hong Kong dollars she change for rupees 508. Now we know that, see, this is first one and this is second one, isn't it? We know that rupees 8 and 40 is equal to $1. We can say Hong Kong dollar. This is HK is Hong Kong dollar. Then she have 508 rupees. How many rupees she have? Rupees 508. Then how many Hong Kong dollar? For that we have to go for 508 divided by 840 dollars. HK. And directly let me give you the answer. The answer is 60.47 Hong Kong dollar. You must not be able to go for this division, will not be able to do this division, so directly write this answer. This is, I can say, this calculation is out of your syllabus. So directly 60 rupee and 47, isn't it, Hong Kong dollar. So from 508 she will get 60.47 Hong Kong dollar. So this should be the answer. Now with this we are ending this part and we'll meet you in the next part and we'll complete the exercise. Okay, and thank you for that. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.